Look at this rain.
And you wonder why people leaving. This is why people leaving. Right here.
Look at that one.
Look at the street. Look at that.
Look at it, guys. Look at it.
This is why people leave in the area, y'all.
Yeah.
Look like a big ass whirlpool sitting over there. Look at that
I
shit.
know, right?
That's where that drain at over
I was
there.
gonna say, ain't the drain right there?
Yeah. See?
What's that?
See the black thing? See that?
Yeah.
I am feeling right.
See the black thing going around and around?
Yeah. Yeah, that is the drain thing. What is like a trash can or the thing?
Yeah, look at this is looking like. Rain happening. You know, right now,
It's for real.
that little amount of rain could cause this much flooding.
Mm-hmm.
You better be glad we're on Monday, huh? Look, you're right. Come on.
Did you know it takes thunder 5 seconds to travel? Like whenever time of lightning, do thunder it takes 5 seconds to go,
Come on, focus.
or more than 5 seconds.
Look at the rain.
You see how she creeping? The water ain't coming up all the way up to no beyond her. See how these schools going?
Yeah.
That's why their cars get stalled out.
No, they get started because they stop.
Keep rolling.
Who garbage can floating right there?
You want to cross the street? I didn't even like this when I came home. I mean, it was bad. I couldn't see. Like, I was telling you, we was like crawling.
Yeah. Yeah, mom, see? Yeah.
Come
Oh.
on, let's go inside.
Yeah.
I mean, okay, first of all, Malika, I wanted to film.
I did all the work.
I wanted to film too, so don't be all innocent.
No, you did it. No, you did it.
I said I wanted to film. Yeah.
That's all I know.
So that black car is stopped over here.
Yeah.
What black car?
Oh, how much?
Oh, I hope we don't fall since it's standing on chairs. Why is this damn car sitting right here?
Here it goes.
I don't know. It's probably stuck somewhere. The damn Impala. I know she ain't broke down, babe. I know that Impala ain't break down right now. Stupid ass. I want to know when I'm gonna call this video.
Why should she drive in the driveway?
Just dumb. Over here is flooded.
He said on that truck.
Mama, I want to know what was that big black truck was for. Well, I bet you it's flooding all the way out there. Yep. Oh, it is? Water out there? Yeah. Well, I don't know if they can see it, but it's flooding all the way over there. Mama, the drain is right there. You can't see it. Mm-hmm. Stupid rain. Can't stand stupid rain. Stupid rain.
The rain's going down on this side.
So the rain is going down a little bit over here. Alright guys, like, subscribe,
in our area is raining. Ooh. Like and subscribe, guys. I mean, like, I don't want to leave now. Like, why we can't leave now?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the water moving. The water moving a lot.
Rain.
Oh, snap. No. Nope. It is just lightning. I'm gonna thunder really hard soon.